If your market-making architecture naively chases the bid-ask spread without quantifying inventory drift, you are not a liquidity provider. You are prey. In modern, fragmented order books, predatory toxic flow will single out your passive limit orders. It will force you to accumulate a massive, directional position milliseconds before a structural market collapse, vaporizing your capital. To engineer survival and prevent this catastrophic bleed, we must formalize the maker's dilemma mathematically. Let us define the wealth process of a liquidity provider in continuous time. Your total wealth at time t, denoted as W_t, is fundamentally the sum of your cash reserve X_t and your held inventory Q_t evaluated at the mid-price S_t. The mathematical objective of our algorithmic engine is strictly to maximize the expected utility of this terminal wealth, W_t. By applying a constant absolute risk aversion utility framework, we introduce a crucial risk penalty gamma, which penalizes variance in our terminal state. A baseline, sterile model operates under a dangerous illusion. It assumes the mid-price S_t is strictly stationary and order flow is perfectly symmetric. Under this theoretical vacuum, your inventory Q_t naturally mean reverts to zero, allowing you to effortlessly capture the half spread on every round trip. But live markets are stochastic war zones. When severe macroeconomic shocks hit, the stationary illusion violently breaks. The mid-price S_t stops oscillating and exhibits extreme, aggressive directional drift. You are hit with adverse selection. Your engine suddenly fills entirely on one side. You are trapped holding maximum inventory limit Q_max as the asset price enters a death spiral. To survive this volatility drag and prevent liquidation, we must discard this naive assumption and rebuild our pricing logic using geometric Brownian motion. We established that stationary mid-prices are a lethal illusion. To survive, an algorithmic market maker must rigorously quantify the exact cost of holding risk. This is not about subjective fear, it is about mathematical certainty. We define this cost as volatility drag, the continuous erosion of capital due to asset variance. When your inventory Q_t deviates from zero, your exposure is no longer symmetric. You are carrying directional delta in a chaotic system. Under a constant absolute risk aversion framework, we can analytically derive the reservation price. This is the optimal, risk-adjusted base price for your engine. The reservation price equation strictly forces a shift. It equals the market mid-price S_t, minus the inventory penalty, Q_t multiplied by risk aversion gamma, multiplied by the variance. Notice the structural mechanics. If you hold a massive long position, the engine aggressively lowers your quotes to attract sellers and repel buyers, dumping the toxic inventory. In a C++ production environment, your pricing daemon continuously computes this penalty offset before generating the bid and ask spread layers. But here is where the academic models instantly collapse in live execution. This elegant analytical shift assumes the underlying asset follows a simple arithmetic Brownian motion, where price variance is absolute and independent of the current price level. In high-volatility crypto or fragmented equity markets, variance scales proportionally with the price itself. Arithmetic models ignore this boundary condition. Under extreme shocks, an arithmetic Brownian model will mathematically predict negative asset prices, causing your daemon to quote disastrously mispriced limits. Predatory algorithms will instantly exploit this linear flaw and drain your liquidity pool. To seal this exploit, we must upgrade the architecture to geometric Brownian motion. Arithmetic Brownian motion failed because variance was independent of price, mathematically allowing asset prices to crash below zero. To seal this fatal arbitrage exploit, we must upgrade our pricing architecture to geometric Brownian motion. Let us define the new stochastic differential equation. Observe carefully, both the continuous drift and the stochastic volatility are now multiplied by the current price S_t. This proportional scaling mathematically guarantees that the asset price is strictly bounded above zero, perfectly mirroring real-world equity and crypto markets. By applying Ito's lemma, we integrate this SDE to derive the exact, closed-form analytical solution for the asset price at any future time. The exponential function acts as the absolute barrier against negative prices. The term sigma squared over 2 is the Ito correction factor, a continuous variance drag. Here is the core Python implementation to generate a continuous, valid price trajectory using this exact closed-form solution. But once again, academic elegance hits a brutal wall in the algorithmic trenches. This beautiful analytical formula only solves your terminal wealth if your inventory Q_T remains perfectly static throughout the continuous time horizon. In live market making, your inventory does not sit still. It mutates dynamically at discrete microsecond intervals with every filled limit order. Because your exposure is violently path-dependent, the continuous analytical math completely shatters. You cannot solve this with a single closed-form equation. To quantify risk across thousands of discrete, mutating inventory trajectories, analytical math is dead. We are forced to build a massive Monte Carlo simulation engine. We established that dynamic inventory mutations shatter closed-form analytical solutions. The only engineering fix is a Monte Carlo simulation engine. Instead of searching for a single impossible equation, we mathematically generate tens of thousands of simultaneous, discrete price trajectories using geometric Brownian motion. Parallel to the price paths, we rigorously simulate the inventory state. At each discrete microsecond tick, we model the probability of our limit orders being filled. If a simulated order fills, the inventory matrix mutates. This allows us to map the exact path-dependent evolution of our exposure across a vast probabilistic space. By calculating the penalty drag for every single trajectory, we obtain a comprehensive probability distribution, exposing our exact vulnerability to tail risks. Here is the core Python architecture. We strictly avoid naive loops. We utilize number py to instantiate a two-dimensional matrix, vectorizing the drift and diffusion for thousands of paths instantly. This engine allows us to visualize catastrophic tail risks, the exact microstructural scenarios where toxic flow forces our inventory to maximum capacity. But once again, our flawless mathematical architecture hits a brutal engineering bottleneck, execution latency. Generating 100,000 stochastic paths requires tens of milliseconds of CPU compute time. In modern market making, the limit order book updates in microseconds. If you attempt to run this Monte Carlo engine inline for live quoting, predatory high-frequency algorithms will front-run your stale quotes before your simulation even finishes. To survive, we cannot calculate these probabilities live. We must bridge the gap between offline stochastic modeling and nanosecond execution by establishing rigid, pre-computed risk thresholds. Live Monte Carlo execution is suicide due to latency arbitrage. To achieve microsecond response times, we must shift the computational burden entirely offline. We deploy our simulation engine asynchronously. It computes millions of path-dependent trajectories for every conceivable state of inventory and market volatility. The output is not a live function, but a multidimensional matrix. A massive, pre-computed lookup table detailing the exact risk penalty for any scenario. In production, the C++ algorithmic daemon no longer calculates probabilities. It performs a strict big O of 1 memory fetch. By mapping our current inventory Q_T and the real-time volatility regime to a specific memory address, we retrieve the exact spread adjustment in nanoseconds. Let us examine the C++ architecture. We utilize flattened one-dimensional arrays and bitwise operations to guarantee absolute cache coherency and deterministic latency. This instantaneous fetch ensures your limit orders are aggressively repriced and routed before the toxic flow can cross the spread. But a lethal architectural vulnerability remains. This entire system relies on the assumption that the pre-computed macroeconomic regime is stable. When a sudden flash crash hits, the volatility structure mutates. Your offline lookup table is instantly obsolete, and your engine begins fetching poison data. To detect and adapt to regime shifts on the fly, we must enter the realm of hidden Markov models. But that is a masterclass for another day. Thank you for joining this masterclass. If you want to survive in the algorithmic trenches, subscribe to the Omnicast network, like this video, and stay rigorous.